Firstly, I pulled off the plastic engine cover and it pops right off with a little upward force. Then I unplugged the electrical connectors from each coil pack. But if you have a TTS, you'll just push down the tab gently and pull them out. Okay, once you're all unplugged, just pull each coil pack straight out. Sometimes they need a little wiggling, or you can just use a coil puller tool if they are stuck. After I took the new coil packs and I pushed them firmly into place, making sure that they are full seated on the spark plugs. I plugged the connectors back into each coil until there was a click. On an Audi TTS, the air filter housing is located right on the top of the engine, toward the front passenger side. I started by removing the screws around the air filter housing. There was about 6 Torx screws holding the lid down. I used T25 Torx bit with a ratchet to loosen them. Didn't take much effort. I made sure to set the screws aside somewhere safe so I wouldn't lose them. Once I had the cover off, I carefully lifted out the old filter. It was a little dusty and definitely due for a change. If your filter looks a bit dark or clogged, it's definitely time. I grabbed a new air filter. Make sure you've got the right one for your model. Mine was a direct fit. I placed it into an airbox with the rubber seal facing up and making sure that it was seated snugly all the way around. After that, I reattached the airbox cover and screwed everything back into place. I double checked that the cover was tight and that there were no gaps.
Just drained the oil. I'm just gonna apply a new sun plug. According to the manufacturer, it takes 4.5 litres of oil, but I'm only going to put in 4.